Are you looking for a good HD outdoor budget camera to look after your yard or your terrace? Well, the Nutshell CG1 AI might just be the perfect fit for you. My name is Steven and I'm here to unbox, set up and review this camera with you. In a previous video, we reviewed this little beast, the Nutshell X08. Well, this is the big bag brother, and this is for outdoor purposes, which means it's waterproof and has a 2K view of your outdoor setup. This is what you have in the box. You have the camera, the mount, the manual, and the power cable. Well, I still think they should have added a power adapter, but I think it's fine. Well, this camera is massive. I don't know if you noticed, but it's really big. And I don't know if it's good or bad for an outdoor camera. If your purpose is to record people secretly, then this might just not be a good fit for you because this is very huge and it will definitely show. But if your purpose is to scare off thieves and people that are not supposed to be in your house or in your yard, well, this is the perfect fit because they'll definitely see it and be like, okay, I'm getting recorded, I need to be attentive of what I'm doing. So basically, it depends on what your use is. Well, it's time to set it up. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to add it in our app. So if you don't have the app yet, I do because I already installed the previous one. But if you don't have the app, you can just scan the QR code in the manual and download the app, create an account, and then you'll be ready to add the device. But since I already did that, then I'm ready to install my device. And all you have to do is take your phone, go into the app, and start the adding process, follow through, and then you finally install the device before we set it up at the place it's going to stay. To start the adding process, the first thing you want to do is to remove this. This was satisfying. Then you start adding the device. Add the device. And you follow the procedure. The second thing is to turn on the device. So turn it on down here. Once you hear the noise, that means the device is on and you can start adding it. Connect via Wi-Fi. Confirm. Then it's going to give you a QR code that you have to scan with the camera.
Wi-Fi connected.
And it's pairing. Connection succeeded. Now you have to name the device. I'm going to use front door. That's fine. Done. So here you have to select solar panel. Because that's what we are going to use with this camera. I'm connecting to the device directly. And here we go, this is the live view of our device. Yes. Alright, this is what it looks like. But this is view indoor. We are going to see what it looks like outdoor. But it looks fine. I think it looks better than the previous one. Yeah, that's nice. I think quality is good. Yeah. Obviously, this is an outdoor camera, so we can't put it on a table like we did with the indoor camera in the previous video. Hence, let's go outside. You can use the glue if you want. It seems secure enough. But I always prefer to be safe, so I'm going to drill 2 holes into the wall. Please do not attempt this if you don't know how to use a power drill. You can use a level to make sure the stand is straight, then use a pencil to mark a place to drill, and then drill. Now, we put on wall plugs and we can screw the camera stand in. Once it's done, the hole is magnetic. So we just have to stick it and we adjust it to make sure it has the right angle and it sees what we want to see. The second part of this video concerns how to power the camera. So this camera comes with a battery, and because it's magnetic, you can just pop it and charge it whenever it is low. But I don't want to do that, and also I have the corresponding solar panel for the camera, so I'm just going to use it to charge during the day and I will never have to remove it. This solar panel, we are going to mount it and connect the micro USB plug to the camera. Normally there's a small gum on the cable to make sure there's a waterproof camera, but in this case they made a smaller entrance to waterproof it, but it does not seem 100% waterproof. Honestly, I think it's fine, and I'm sure they have done their testing and they are sure it's secured. However, if you want to take the safe route, I would advise to add a little bit of silicone around the edge of the plug to make sure it's waterproof. Just a little bit, not too much, to make your brand new solar panel look nasty. As you know, solar panels are not forever, so I would advise not to put a lot of silicone, because in 1 or 2 years you're gonna have to remove that solar panel and change it with a new one. Hence, putting too much will make the process of changing the solar panel more difficult. Well, this is a 2K view. And this is the night vision. This camera has more functionality like recording, taking pictures, talk to the people near the camera, and more. You can discover that going through the app. Well, we are at the end of this video. This is the first time I'm using a power drill in a video on the internet, and this was kind of fun. But if you don't know how to use a power drill, please do not try this at home. It's really dangerous. You might really hurt yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to put in the comment section if you might consider this camera, or if you already have it, what are your thoughts? Don't forget to subscribe, because this is really how you help the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.